Are you feeling that Sunday heaviness, that quiet resistance about going back to work, doing the school runs, getting back to routines, responsibilities? Maybe part of you feels drained, demotivated, or already overwhelmed by the thought of Monday. If you are ready to shift that energy and walk into the new week feeling steady, clear, and motivated, this session is for you. I am Mahesha Rice, an award-winning holistic therapist, healer, and mindset coach, and I'm so glad you're here. This is your space to release, reconnect, and rise into your truth. Before we begin, if this resonates with you, click the like button and help this video reach more people who need this work. Now gently check in with yourself. On a scale from 0 to 10, how strong is your resistance or demotivation about the week ahead right now? 10 being heavy dread or overwhelm, and 0 being calm and motivated. Just notice your number without judgment, and we'll come back to it at the end of the session. Now let's start by taking a deep breath in and releasing it with a sigh. Even though I don't feel motivated right now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though part of me doesn't want the weekend to end, I honor how I feel and I'm open to shifting this gently. And even though I feel resistance about the week ahead, I choose to move towards steadiness and clarity. And I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Okay, let's go through the points now. I don't feel ready for Monday. I don't want the routine to start again. It feels like too much. So many responsibilities waiting. So many tasks ahead. I feel a heaviness in my body. Part of me just wants to stay still. And I acknowledge that honestly. Take a deep breath in and release with a sigh. Maybe I'm just tired. Maybe I didn't fully switch off. Maybe I've been carrying a lot lately. It makes sense that I feel this way. I've been giving a lot of myself. I've been managing a lot. Of course I need a moment. I honor my need for rest. Take another deep breath in. I release the pressure to do everything at once. I release the need to have the whole week figured out. I don't need to carry the entire week right now. I only need to handle one moment at a time. I can break things down. I can take small steps. I can start gently. I don't need to rush into Monday. Take a deep breath in. I release the story that this week will be exhausting. I've released the story that I won't cope. I've released the expectation of stress. I release the fear of falling behind. I choose not to predict the worst. I choose not to drain my energy before it begins. I choose to give this week a fresh start. I choose possibility over dread. Take a deep breath in and release with a sigh. There is energy inside me. There is strength inside me. I've handled busy weeks before. I've shown up even when it felt hard. I am capable. I am resilient. I can trust myself to move forward. My energy begins to rise. Deep breath in. What if this week goes well? What if I feel focused and calm? What if I handle things with clarity? What if I create small wins each day? What if I protect my energy? What if I prioritize what truly matters? What if this week surprises me? I allow myself to feel open. Take a deep breath in. I I welcome steady motivation. Not pressure. Not panic. Just steady forward movement. I choose progress over perfection. I choose intention over reaction. I choose clarity over chaos. I step into this week grounded. Take a deep breath in. This is a fresh start. This is a new week. I don't carry last week's stress into this one. I begin again. I move forwards with confidence. I honor my pace. I honor my capacity. I look ahead with calm energy. Take a final deep breath in and release with a sigh. Now, beautiful soul, gently check in again. Where are you now on that same scale from 0 to 10? Even a small shift matters. That's your nervous system recalibrating. You can come back to this every Sunday evening to reset your energy before the week begins, or whenever you feel you need it. If you like ongoing weekly support, you are warmly invited to join Reiki Renewal Rising. The link is below and tagged above. And you can also download my free ebook, A Guide to Overcoming Anxiety, Stress and Burnout. The link is also in the description and as a pinned comment. Until next time, beautiful soul, I'm sending you so much love and light. Have a beautiful week ahead.